Hello, lovely ladies. It's day 1 of your period, and the cramps, mood swings, and discomfort have arrived. But imagine this: with a few simple hacks, you could feel more comfortable and stress free. Today, we'll be sharing life changing tips to make every period easier. In today's video, I'll share some powerful hygiene hacks to keep you comfortable, product hacks to make your life easier, and self care tips to reduce stress during your cycle. Plus, I want to hear from you too. So, join the conversation with our fun comment answer games. Ready to become a period pro? Let's get started.
Let's dive into the first part, hygiene hacks. Staying clean and fresh during your period is key to feeling good. Avoid wearing synthetic clothes, especially during periods. Synthetic fabrics trap heat and moisture, which can lead to more irritation and discomfort. Instead, go for breathable, natural materials like cotton that help your skin breathe. You'll feel fresher and cleaner all day long. Now that you know about comfortable clothing, let's move on to your daily hygiene. Change your sanitary product every 4 to 6 hours, even if the flow is light. This helps prevent bacterial growth and keeps you feeling fresh. Whether it's a pad, tampon, or menstrual cup, regular changes reduce odor and help you avoid infections. Set a reminder if needed, and make it a priority. Speaking of keeping fresh, here's another must-have tip for you. Only use a mild, fragrance-free soap to clean the intimate area. Harsh soaps can mess with your body's natural pH balance, leading to irritation or even infections. Keep it simple. A gentle wash with water and mild soap is all you need. Remember, less is more for hygiene during periods. That's a great way to stay comfortable. Next, let's look at handling your period in public spaces. Always keep a small period kit with essentials like pads, tissues, and a spare set of underwear. This little kit will be a lifesaver if you face unexpected leaks or need to freshen up. A quick cleanup and change will instantly boost your confidence when you're out. It's easy, practical, and helps you stay worry-free. Now that we've covered staying prepared, here's the final hygiene tip. After every change, wash and gently pat the area dry with a soft towel or tissue. Avoid rubbing as it can cause irritation, especially when your skin is sensitive. Keeping the area dry reduces any discomfort and helps you feel fresh. A quick wash and dry routine goes a long way in maintaining comfort. That wraps up hygiene tips. Now, let's get into product hacks to make your period even easier. It's time to explore product hacks that can truly make a difference.
If you haven't tried it yet, consider switching to a menstrual cup. It's eco-friendly, comfortable, and provides up to 12 hours of leak-free protection. Many women find it more convenient than pads or tampons, especially for a busy day. Plus, once you get used to it, you'll save a lot of money. Have you tried a menstrual cup? Share your experience or why you'd want to try it in the comments below. Ready for the next tip? Here we go. A heat pad can work wonders for period cramps. Apply it to your lower abdomen, and feel the pain melt away. If you don't have one, a hot water bottle works just as well. It's a natural and soothing way to tackle cramps without taking painkillers. That sounds cozy, right? Let's look at another product hack for relief. Reusable cloth pads are a sustainable and soft option that's kind to your skin. They come in different absorbencies and last longer than regular pads. Many women love them for the comfort and reduced waste. If you haven't yet, consider giving cloth pads a try. They might just be your new favorite. Now, let's move to a hack for nighttime protection. Invest in overnight pads to prevent leaks while you sleep. They're longer and more absorbent, so you can sleep worry-free. No more waking up to unpleasant surprises, just a restful night's sleep. Trust me, this simple switch makes a big difference. Lastly, let's look at a hack for better comfort. Invest in soft, comfortable, high-waisted underwear for period days. This extra support feels gentle on your stomach and keeps everything in place. Look for stretchy, breathable material, you'll feel less restricted and more comfortable. It's like a cozy hug for those crampy days. That's it for product hacks. Now, let's dive into the last part, self-care tips to keep you at your best. Finally, here are self-care tips to make your period a little brighter and stress-free. Gentle yoga moves like child's pose or reclining twist can ease cramps and calm your mind. Spend 10 to 15 minutes stretching to relieve pain and boost your mood. These exercises are easy to do and can be done from the comfort of your home. They're also a great way to relax before bed. Moving on, here's another great self-care tip. Warm herbal teas like ginger can soothe cramps and calm your nerves. Ginger tea, in particular, is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Sip on warm tea to stay hydrated and feel comforted. Speaking of comfort, let's see the next tip. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate can boost your mood. Dark chocolate is rich in magnesium, which helps reduce cramps and cravings. Plus, it's a tasty treat that feels comforting on tough days. Treat yourself to a few squares, you deserve it. Next up, here's a hack to ease your bloating. Bloating is common during periods, and drinking water helps reduce it. Hydration also supports blood circulation and helps with cramps. Keep a water bottle close by and take regular sips throughout the day. Staying hydrated keeps you energized and feeling lighter. And now, for our final self-care tip. Lastly, give yourself permission to rest. Don't push yourself too hard, listen to your body and take breaks. Periods are tough, so it's okay to slow down and focus on self-care. Remember, your well-being is important, and a little rest goes a long way. These hacks are simple yet powerful ways to make your period stress-free and more comfortable. Periods don't have to be a burden. With the right tips and mindset, they can become a lot easier. Try these hacks, and let us know in the comments which ones work best for you. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. I've also pinned the form link in the comments section, so it's easy to find. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for choosing to prioritize your health today. The road to wellness is ongoing, and every step is a victory worth celebrating. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you're building a healthier future one choice at a time. Together, let's make this journey meaningful. Your best self is waiting.